This time, we're going to improve your game reads, game IQ. Some drills natin, we're going to do some relocation, passing, and then shooting. So make sure nyo always listen sa details para less explanation tayo. That's why we're using this tennis ball to initiate pressure in the game. On the third, 1. Coach, magpapound lang siya. Ang gagawin ko lang, tutos ko lang to. Calm down. Kapag binang si coach, cross and snap. Balik lang. Back. Bounce. Cross. May pound kayo, please pound. Basta mag-whistle si coach, gagawin nyo lang, cross, grab the left. Okay, nice one. Pag nag-go, go, through, grab. That's continuous dribbling. Yung same side, we call this outside leg. Then yung opposite side, call this inside leg. Tawag dito, outside leg. This one? Inside leg. We're going to do outside hip rotation. Outside leg nyo, yung outside leg nyo, here in the middle of the mat. We call this hip rotation. Kasi gagawin nyo, mag-sit kayo. Then i-rotate nyo yung hips nyo. Ano nangyari? Kapag relax ka lang. Kapag umangat yung kamay ng defender, ang gagawin yung attack. Kapag nakababa yung kamay ng defender, ang gagawin tira. Pag nakataas, attack. Balik, pasa, balik. Pag tinaas, attack. Then, tira.
Pagka-attack mo, papasa mo ulit sa akin. Then ipapasa mo ulit sa'yo.
one.